She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. This recipe is Irish inspired, or just in time for St. Patrick's Day. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make some delicious Shamrock milkshake cupcakes. These are going to be similar to the milkshakes or the Shamrock milkshakes that you can get from McDonald's during this time of the year. And that is usually a green mint flavored milkshake. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and turn that milkshake into some cupcakes. So it only takes a few ingredients, with pretty much mint and green food coloring being the star of the ingredients that are going to bring our wonderful cupcakes all together. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so these are the Shamrock milkshake cupcakes. Again, these are similar to the milkshakes that you can get at McDonald's during St. Patrick's Day, the Shamrock shakes, which are full of mint and topped with a delicious whipped cream. In this case, we topped it with a green cherry instead of the normal red cherry, just to give it a more festive look. You guys can top it any way you like though, but I think this stays true to the St. Patrick's theme. Inside we do have that beautiful green cake as well. Everything about this is definitely Shamrocklicious. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.